Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable Internet Explorer mode on your Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Microsoft Edge web browser and then select the settings icon at the top right corner of the browser screen. Go ahead and left click on that, and then go down and select the settings gear icon. On the left side, you want to select default browser. And then on the right side where it says allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode, you want to go check mark beside the drop down and set it to allow. And if you wanted to disable that, you just would click on the drop down and set it to don't allow. And you will need to restart your browser to change the setting regardless for it to take effect. So go ahead and select the restart button and then you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.